friends, I'm Fred Wang. We are at Beston site for X-ray production. What you're seeing here is the raw materials for the X-ray plant. Please follow me to see the process. Over here is the additive input. Not every country will need this. I will show you later where it's being added. The process begins here. This is the hydropulper. We put this paper and water together to form a rough pulp. After this, the pulp goes underground to a mixing plant. From there, the pulp further processed to be more uniform and even. The ratio of the pulp is 3 water to 1 paper. Being transported to the final pulp supply pump. From here, the pulp will be supplied to the forming machine. You can see which additive is being added here. The vacuum system is sucking the water from the process and creates the circulation. The machine we have here is BTF 512, 5 pieces on each side, 12 sides in total. Look at the electric parts. After 7 years of operation, it's still working well. The production of this machine is 6,000 to 7,000 pieces per hour. It is running 24 hours a day, 350 days a year. It's a truly money-making machine.